Good morning. Day 165 of Peter and Doxie sailing from New South Wales to Queensland. And here we are in Roslyn Bay still. Yeah, if you haven't been following before, I'm here because my engine gave up the ghost. And I am waiting for the replacement engine. Yes, the whole thing's being replaced to arrive and yeah, get it repowered, as they call it. So yeah, waiting for that to happen. I just checked with Cap Coast Marine this morning. The estimated date for lift out, everything being here, is the 4th of November. So we've still got a couple of weeks here yet at least until something happens, and then of course it has to happen. So that could take hopefully no longer than a week, but yeah, boats, you never can tell, right? So anyway, I feel a little bit, I was a bit on edge because I just had no sort of concept of time and stuff, so it's just good to get a bit of an update this morning on, you know, where things are up to. So yeah, I can now continue and investigate every blade of grass in this part of the world, as it seems to be that I'm doing. So today is just going to be a bit of an admin day, I think, and by that I mean I'm probably going to catch the bus to Yeppoon, do a bit of money stuff, maybe grab one of the Neuron e-scooters from the shopping centre down to the hardware shop, Bunnings. So I need to pick up another can of the oil for those duckboards you can see in the background there. So they're coming along, but I think there's a few more coats in it yet. But yeah, I'm happy with the way they're coming up, and yeah, they just start to feel a bit more solid too, because the wood's starting to fill out, be nourished, rather than sort of drying out and becoming like packing case wood. So yeah, really happy that I've been doing that. So I'm going to shortly see some good friends off who are departing this morning for South, but I'll catch up with them again in Mooloolaba, no doubt, once I get going. So yeah, but yes, it's always nice to have good friends around, so I will miss that, but not for long. Anyway, let's see what the day brings. And off goes Andalia, heading south. Safe travels, guys. Alright, another coat of the oil. I'm just using the dregs of the first tin, but I have a second tin, so hopefully we'll get it all done today. It's starting to go further, basically, because obviously there is less dry wood to soak into as it starts to penetrate further in. Hi, Peter again. Yeah, I haven't posted for the last few days really, because I really haven't been up to much that's of any interest to anybody. Yesterday I did basically get an estimated time of the 4th of November for hopefully lift out and getting the engine sorted. Of course, when she's out, I'll get the antifoul and everything done too. It'd be silly not to. So yeah, that's where we're up to at the moment. So today is Tuesday, 21st, I think, of October. Oh, must remember to have a look for shooting stars tonight. The Orionids apparently should be out tonight, if I wake up and go to the loo, as I usually do at that time. So anyway, spotter useless. I'm about to go and catch lines of Big Red boat known to me from Mackay. He's coming in, so I think they're just about here. And that'll be Derek checking his engines over next door. So yeah, feeling a bit average at the moment. I've got a bit of a cough, and just feeling generally a little bit, how are you going? And here he comes. Okay, well, I think we're starting to get there, because the oil's going further and further as it doesn't sink in so quickly anymore, which obviously means we must be getting close to some sort of saturation point. Some slats are better than others. There's a few that still get pretty dry, so they'll need a bit of topping up, but let's see what this looks like once it dries. And dry it will in this weather, that's for sure. Yeah, well, I got those duckboards done. At least I feel like I've done something today, because the rest of the afternoon has just been me lying on the couch basically reading and dozing and stuff. So yeah, just trying to shake this cold, whatever it happens to be. So bit of luck, a good night's sleep, and hopefully I might feel better tomorrow. Anyway, thanks for persevering with me. I know this is pretty ordinary at the moment, but yeah, things will start to happen soon, and we will be back out there sailing and seeing stuff. Meanwhile, I'll see what I can see here as I do. Still a few things coming up in the next couple of weeks. So yeah, looking forward to a couple of things that have been organised. So follow along by all means. This is Dawn Raider, out.